We're going to work through an example of finding a composite function and finding its domain. So keep watching. I'm Allison from Math Bytes, and we're working through an example of finding the composite of two functions. So I have two functions here. F of x is equal to 2 over x plus 1, and g of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Find f of g of x. Now there's another kind of notation we can use for f of g of x, and that's this with the brackets. And I like that better because it reminds me that to find f of g of x, wherever I see an x in f, I put in the function g. So doing that, f of g of x is equal to 2 over quantity 3x minus 5 plus 1. And simplifying that, that gives us 2 over 3x minus 4. That's our composite function. What is the domain of f of g of x? All right, well, we just found that f of g of x is equal to 2 over 3x minus 4. The domain is everywhere that this function is defined. So where is the function undefined? This function will be undefined anywhere the denominator equals 0. So where is that? 3x minus 4 equals 0. That gives us 3x equals 4, or x equals 4/3. So that's the point where this function is not defined. So the domain of our function is all x, such that x is not equal to 4/3. To learn more about this topic, watch our videos on the Math Bytes with Allison YouTube channel.